See what your day could look like when your SATEL alarm system is integrated with KNX building automation. Look, that's you coming home. With just one key fob button, you disarm the alarm system, turn on the outdoor lighting, open the driveway gate, and then the garage door. You drive into the garage. The system closes all the gates behind you and turns off the unnecessary lights. Intensive rain or strong wind? You don't have to worry about the weather. Your SATEL system will automatically close the awnings and the open windows. It's time to relax. Fancy a movie night? Just one touch on the touchscreen keypad will start a pre-programmed event scenario. See how your system creates ideal conditions for the show. Now it's time to rest after a long day. With just one touch on your phone yet again, you run the entire event scenario sequence. Unnecessary lighting gets turned off automatically, and you can hear the sound of the shutters being lowered in several rooms. It's safer this way. The alarm is armed. You can sleep peacefully. During your sleep, the system takes care of your plants. If the moisture sensor detects the soil is too dry, it turns on the sprinklers automatically. Kitchen or bathroom night trips are now safer and more comfortable. The indoor detector will respond to your movement and turn on dim lights, as not to dazzle or disturb other household members. After the set time, the lights will be turned off. You can continue resting. When an uninvited guest appears at your gate and tries to enter the property, the system will trigger the alarm event scenario to effectively discourage the intruder. A loud sound of the siren will draw attention to the event, scare the burglar, and wake you up so you can react. The outdoor lighting will turn on to make the intruder more visible to you and the IP cameras on your property. You will also immediately receive a push notification. During the night, the temperature unexpectedly dropped below freezing. In the morning, the system opens the window blinds, gently waking you from sleep. If it is still dark, it turns on a soft light. Icy footpath or driveway is not a problem. The system will take care of it in advance so that you can safely and comfortably leave the house and drive out. Leaving for work? Choose the exit event scenario. After selecting it, the system will close the main water valve, turn off the power to electrical sockets, and also lower the room temperature to an economic level. Next, it will automatically open the garage door and the entrance gate. In the meantime, it will also turn off the lights in your home. Now you can safely hit the road. While sitting in the car, you can easily use just one button on your key fob to close both gates. And lower the shutters. Finally, the system is armed. It's going to be a great, peaceful day because you know your home is well protected. If you don't come back tonight, the system can simulate the presence of household members by turning the selected lights on and off, which can effectively discourage or scare off a potential burglar. SATEL makes your home a secure and comfortable place to live. Looking for more inspiration? Visit www.satel.eu.